decided to take out the flannel today, so we're gonna go do something a little different. But this time, both we're gonna kind of get back on track on something I would call content creation part 2. But before we go any further, please do me a favor: like this video, share it to all your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. And also hit the notifications button, and also don't forget to comment. You know, maybe some of you who are experienced in this, or maybe there are some of you that are just starting out. Just go ahead and just throw in there, and we'll go ahead and keep this conversation rolling. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Now, if you're a Gen Xer like me, obviously we're still a little bit astute to technology, so we can still be able to work our way around it. But we also come to a point where we don't always have money on us. Thing is, we still be able to make good videos, even just with the stuff that we have, or even the stuff that we can't afford. So in this video, we're going to go over some of the stuff, it's the essential tools that we can use to get started to start making YouTube videos. So as we go on this journey, join me in how we can be able to create the best YouTube videos, even with just few basic tools. And with some of those tools we can even find on Temu. We'll be exploring crucial elements including camera options, audio quality, lighting, editing software that can help enhance your product, your production and its value. So as usual, as a part of this channel's mission, we're gonna try to do this without breaking the bank. So first things first, let's start with the camera. The camera obviously is one of the most important pieces of equipment you're going to need, and there are plenty of options to choose from. But nowadays, most commonly is the camera phone. Whether it be an iPhone or an Android, or our phones have the capability to be able to create good video. Now, if you click on if you click on if you click up on the left here, this tab right here on the left-hand corner, there's a video I made some time ago about how I use my Android to create video content. And also, along with that, let's not forget the knickknacks for that. Now next, we're gonna go to the external microphone. When it comes to audio quality, usually an external microphone can make a big, huge difference in the overall sounds of your video. Now, if you look here, you can see that there's an external mic to my setup. Now, in recent videos that I've been coming out with, I've been using that mic on my monologue, and you probably can hear it probably even right now that it produces a pretty good clear quality of sound. Now this one I did buy off Temu, so even in a room that's kind of a bit reverby, sometimes or echoey, you can see this still comes out with good quality. I did at one time start with a mixer, with a compressor, and also I have my mic, which I still have behind me, which is my F-Deuce. So I have been using that because why? Because quality is important. But for right now, for the time being, I decided to kind of set that aside and decided to kind of focus on using stuff like this so you can see the quality that is being produced. Now the next thing we're gonna need is lighting. Lighting is also essential because they do have an effect on the mood and the atmosphere of what you're doing in your video. It all depends on how you want your set to be. Some people may want to go dark, some people might want to kind of go a little more brightness to it. Now it all depends. Now in some cases, maybe in most cases you may just need a ring light. Now you can pick up these ring lights for about $5 at a bargain store. That's where I got that ring light from. I got it from the Dollar Tree right down the street. You know, and they do come with adjustments, so you can, in the settings, so you can be able to adjust it to taste. So, you know, if it's coming off a little too bright, or if it's coming off a little too hard, you can also be able to change the timbre, what they call, so to kind of give more of that appearance of darkness to it. When it comes to the light, definitely you're gonna need those. And finally, a good video editing suite. Now, a good editing software can help you bring all these elements together and create a cohesive, polished video. Whether there is an actual video free software out there. To me, it still remains to be seen. So I don't know. I remember that when Windows used to have video editor. What happened to it? I don't know. I decided to go with Filmora 14 by Wondershare. Now, full disclosure, I'm not being paid or compensated to promote Filmora in any way, shape, or form. So let's keep that in mind. Now, I've been using Filmora for about a few years now. Its easy workflow is even simpler for a borderline doofus such as myself. And with the AI tool features, it even helps make content creation even more fun. You know, the multi-tracks, the drop-down videos, and and all the stuff that comes to it, it really makes video creation easy. And that's why I recommend it to a lot of people. So if you're just starting out, that's the one I would go with. Even though the keys of creating YouTube videos lies in the perfect combination of having all those tools and elements together. But the one thing I've learned in all this is what makes a YouTube video really good is developing your own unique style and tone. That is key to help you stand out from the crowd. Practicing and refining your communication skills is essential in creating high quality videos. And all that will come in time. And then that's one thing I've learned. So if you look for my early videos, even until now, you're gonna see that, okay, these communication skills have gotten better. And that's something, again, I had to learn in time. That means not just riffing. I have to learn to write scripts. I have to learn to be able to communicate and learn to kind of get used to being behind the camera a lot. And when I began to focus on those aspects, I began to create videos that eventually sometimes become truly engaging and will resonate with people such as yourself. Now, to wrap this all up, I know I'm not like most people who got 10,000, maybe 1 million subscribers. I get it. I'm not one of them. It's good to take another perspective of someone who's treading those waters already, and who can tell you, hey, this is what you're gonna sign up for. When you do this, when you go into YouTube, just say you're Gen Xer like me, you want to go out there, spot out, just kind of be a part of the community. Hey, these are the things you're gonna need, and also the thing you're gonna need to do. It's gonna take a while. It's gonna get a little tough, but you're gonna see the fruit of your reward. And all it takes is also one thing which I forgot to mention: persistence. But then again, that's just me. So again, like, share this video, subscribe, tell all your friends about it, and also don't forget to leave a comment down on the bottom. And don't forget the notifications button. Now, at the end of the video, I'm going to be leaving a tag where you can be able to tag in the clip of the video, and you can be able to go to the one video where talk about using your Android camera. So until the next time,